Alexa TV presents in 3, 2, 1. Dateline Schools with your host, Terry Harrington.
Well, this week on Dateline Schools, we're learning about a writing and art contest sponsored by St. Clair County Community Mental Health. Tell us all about it. My special guest is the new director here at St. Clair County Community Mental Health, Deb Johnson. And Deb, yesterday we talked about the art part of the contest. What are some of the things that students submit for the writing piece in this contest?
Well, this year we've actually restricted it to an essay, no more than 500 words. In previous years we've had like a poetry contest, and then we also had something based on a true story that they knew of, and then a fiction category. This year it could be any of those things, but well, not poetry really. 500 words or less essay. It can be true, it can be fiction, but it's one category that we're going to have this year. And again, I said 500 words or less, and it needs to be something that talks about or focuses on our theme for this year.
And what is the theme for this year's contest?
The theme is spirituality, and spirituality is one of the pathways to recovery. Actually, we brought this pen that we were going to give you because if you click it, it gives you all the pathways to recovery. So one year we talked, hope was our theme, and that's one of our pathways. Environment, choice is a theme, is one of the pathways. Empowerment, which was last year. Spirituality is this year, and then and environment. I think I said that one. But anyways, so spirituality. Everybody has their own idea of what spirituality is, and it's not necessarily religious in nature. It's whatever it means to a person. And you know, some people just they meditate, and that's spiritual for them, and it doesn't have to be tied to religion. But that's one of the key components in recovery.
Okay, great. Now, when the students submit both the art and the writing components, who gets to judge besides yourself?
Well, actually, we have, for the art contest, everybody in the community, anybody is welcome to stop in on our judging day, which is Thursday, March 14th, between 9 and 2 o'clock. You stop in here, you view all the posters will be displayed downstairs, and you pick your top, I think it's top 3 or top 4, and you submit them, and the winner is selected by the most votes. And then the writing contest, we have a team of judges, and we're hoping it's not too taxing because we condensed to one category, because before you might have 60 or 70 things to read. Well, now you could have a couple hundred things to read. But it's really nice because we've had a lot of interest from community folks like Kathy Martin, she's DJ on WGRT, Paul Miller from Radio First, Judith McLean from the Times Herald, and also some of our board members. One of our board members, Susanna DeFever, was a former English instructor at SE4, and one of her former students, Eliza Mayfield, is also on our board, and one of her better students, I guess. She's also one of the judges. So, and then myself and a few other staff, Mark Hutchinson, he works here for us, and he runs our writing program that we have.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.